Children, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? 10th class students, what are you all doing? Today is Saturday, right? What's the date? 28th November 2020. We'll start with our lesson, which is coordination, the linking system. Is it clear? Excretion, dialysis, everything in it? Okay. Few of them are sending me homeworks. Few are not sending. I don't know why. Send me properly written. Okay. Learn it. Listen to the explanations properly. All the best. Do very good in your exams. Listen properly. What is nervous coordination? We'll see today. The autonomous nervous system itself consists of two parts, the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Some authors also include sensory neurons whose cell bodies lies in the periphery for senses such as hearing as part of the PNS. Others, however, omit them. So how many types of nervous system are there? Autonomic? Two. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Nervous coordination is brought about by means stimuli receptors of nervous system, which is the quickest way of communication. CNS effectors in the body of an animal by electrochemical messenger called nerve response system. Now see this nervous coordination in the box which we have shown the presentation. Nervous coordination is brought about by the means of nervous system, which is the quickest way of communication in the body of an animal by electrochemical message called nerve impulse. Stimuli gives receptors, receptors give CNS, CNS give effectors, and then effectors give response. Understood? The nervous system comprises the central nervous system, consists of brain, spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of cranial, spinal, whereas peripheral nerves together with motor and sensory. What are the types of nerves in the body? There are four types of nerves: autonomic nerves, motor nerves, sensory nerves. What are autonomic nerves? The nerves which control involuntary or partially voluntary activities, like which we cannot see, involuntary, which are working very important, but we don't see it moving right in front of our eye. That is, but important. Heart rate. Our autonomic nerves, which include in our body, are heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and temperature regulation. Motor nerves, sensory nerves. The largest nerve in our body is sciatic nerve, SCIATIC. It begins from in your lower back and travels all the way down to the heel of your foot. Understood? From your spinal cord backbone to the heel of your foot till your leg foot. AD. You may have heard of a condition called sciatica, SCIATICA, in which painful sensation radiates from lower back and down your leg. Understood? Some of them are, especially it happens in ladies, they're fat. It's not necessarily they should be fat, but they are some disorder in the nerves, so it causes very painful. They look healthy, they are everything is fine with their walking, leg, everything back and all, but they have here this sciatica because of the nerves in the leg. They get swollen or a little damage, very little, but the pain is a lot. Just a minute. The axon branches at the end, forming axon terminal. Understood? Children, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? 10th class students, what are you all doing? Today is Saturday, right? What's the date? 28th November 2020. We'll start with our What is neuron? Neuron is the basic working unit of the brain. Understood? Of the brain. All of them have brain, no? In the head, the important part is the brain. A specialized cell designed to transmit information to other nerve cells, muscle, or gland cells. Neurons are cells within the nervous system that transmits information to other nerve cells, muscle, or gland cells. The brain is made up of 86 billion nerve cells are called neurons. A neuron has four basic parts. What are the parts of neuron? Dendrites, cell body, the axon and the axon terminal. Dendrites Neuron has how many basic parts I told? 4 basic parts. Dendrites, cell body called soma, axon terminal. Dendrites, extension from the neuron cell body that takes information to the cell body. The neuron is a specialized cell primarily involved in transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals. They are found in the brain. Where is the neuron found? In the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. A neuron, so known as nerve cell. See the diagram and understand it properly. This is very important. This is 4 marks question in this. You draw it and write about neuron and send me as homework. So a neuron has, where is a neuron? It is in the brain. A spinal cord, peripheral nerves. A neuron known as nerve cell. Draw the neuron properly. It is an important question for 4 marks with labeling neat. I want the same way color. Understood? The nervous system comprises the central nervous system, consists of brain, spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of cranial, spinal, whereas peripheral nerves together with motor and sensory. What are the types of nerves in the body? There are 4 types of nerves: autonomic nerves, motor nerves, sensory nerves. What are autonomic nerves? The nerves which control involuntary or partially voluntary activities, like which we cannot see, involuntary, which are working very important, but we don't see it moving right in front of our eye. That is, but at a synapse, one neuron sends a message to target neuron of another cell. Most synapses are chemical. These synapses communicate using chemical messages. Other synapses are electrical. In these synapses, ions flow directly. How you can tell it is electrical? Because ions flow directly. Synapses are microscopic gaps that separate the terminal buttons of one neuron from receptor of the other neuron. When neurons communicate, they release chemicals that must travel across this gap to stimulate the postsynaptic receptor between the cells. Children, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? 10th class students, what are you all doing? Today is Saturday, right? What's the date? 28th November 2020. Or we'll start with our or neurons. These are sensory neurons carrying nerve impulses from sensory stimuli towards the central nervous system and the brain. Afferent neurons carry signals to the brain and spinal cord as sensory data. Now see the diagram. Afferent nerve is different, efferent nerve is different. In between is a spinal cord, skin, muscle. What are afferent nerves? Again we'll go through it. AFFERENT. Afferent nerve fibers refer to axonal projection that arrive at a particular brain region, as opposed to efferent projections. Sensory neurons are the nerve cells that are activated by sensory input from the environment. For example, when you touch a hot surface, from what happens? Immediately you move it, isn't it? Just exclamation sound comes out, and you move your finger when you touch something hot. What happened? The nerves which are in your fingers, they take place. The main function of sensory nervous system is to inform the central nervous system about stimuli impinging on us from the outside or within us. By doing so, it informs us about any changes in the internal and external environment. Understood? What are sensory neurons? These nerves relay information from your skin and muscles back to your spinal cord and the brain. to the backbone and brain. The information. So, what are sensory nerves? I told you. The nerves relay the information from your skin and muscles back to your spinal cord and brain. Understood? The information is then processed to sensory neurons, receive impulses, and carry them from the sense organs to the spinal cord or the brain. The interneurons connect sensory and motor neurons and interpret the impulse. Got it, children? Motor neurons carry the impulses from the brain and spinal cord to the muscles. Understood? From brain and spinal cord, they are taking to the muscles or glands. Draw it properly, the sensory neuron, then only you'll understand it. And submit me. It sends information to the brain and carries out orders from the brain. Messages can also travel through the spinal nerves, which branch out from the spinal cord nerve cell. Let you feel, if you feel the pain and sensation when something is pricking you, it is because of sensory neurons. Now you all know, isn't it? All the best. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class. Submit the homeworks on time. Be home, be safe.